Hi, Satirs here, and today I just want to show you how I managed to figure out how to actually fix my Facebook feed. So, for the last few years on Facebook, I've noticed that if you go to the news feed, there's a top stories and there's a most recent stories, like a switch, right? So that you only see whichever one of those you're on. But as soon as you click the most recent stories, within like 10 minutes, it changes back to top story. So if you click most recent stories, you actually get to see what's actually on Facebook. But while you're in top stories, which Facebook automatically puts you on all the time, basically you can't see. You can't see your friend's stuff. You can only see the few people that they basically pick for you to see, which is kind of crazy, okay, because it means you're losing all the interaction that you actually should have by being on a social network with 4,000 friends, Instead of seeing like five people's friends, you should be able to see the 4,000 friends. So, how you actually sort this out, and since I've done this, I've seen loads and loads of different posts coming in. I've seen ones that have only been in for like 20-30 minutes, 4 minutes. There's a lot of posts that are like almost instant. Normally the posts that I'm reading have been in for like hours or days and they've had a load of comments on them. But when I look here, you'll see there's quite a lot of recent posts here. 29 minutes ago. $11 minutes ago. 7 minutes ago, right? So you're actually able to see your recent posts, which is really cool. Okay, so all you actually do, right, is you go up to the top right. So when you're in Facebook, just go to facebook.com, and up in the top right you'll see the wee arrow. You click on that, you click on settings, okay, and then when you click on settings, you go to public posts down on the left. You click public posts, and you'll see a thing there said called comment ranking, and it will say on your thing that comment ranking is off. So you just click on edit, right, and you just basically switch it. It'll say that it's on, so you basically just go and switch it off, okay, like I have here. So you just switch it off, and once you switch it off, it means you'll actually see the most you won't, because it's turned off, you won't see the most relevant comments that Facebook have decided for you, okay? So by switching this comment ranking off, you're going to actually be able to see other posts for a change. So I hope you find this useful. This is a thing that is needed for some time, and I'm really glad to see it. So I definitely thought it was worthwhile doing a quick training on this. If you haven't already, feel free to follow me on social media by going to asksotiris.com. That's asksotiris.com/social, and I basically follow back, okay? So that's it for me for today's training. I will see you again with the next training soon.